This is our Span Smart Panel, aka Smart Breaker Box. In fact, I'd say it's downright brilliant. Alright, so there used to be a regular old breaker box like you see in every house right here in this place, but it was recently replaced with this smart panel or this smart breaker box, and now all the circuits are there and you still have all the breakers, but behind there is magic that happens which enables you to be able to control what power goes to what places in your house with the flip of a switch or an app in my pretend phone. Which means, now that you have the knowledge, you have the power to use it more efficiently, just like turning the water off when you're not actually brushing your teeth. Turn it on only when you need to rinse it. Use it when you need it, shut it off when you don't. Efficiency.
I recently replaced my breaker box with the Span Smart Home Panel. The main advantage why me and my family went solar was to get battery backup and be prepared. Now, when the power goes out, I have this cool app on my phone. The smart panel automatically turns off circuits that are connected to things like my hot tub and my air conditioner. And then it prioritizes other circuits that are like in my kitchen. And it will tell me on my average usage how long I can use those things. So if it was that power was likely to be out for a week, we could make plans. We could say, okay, we're gonna turn off these circuits that feed these outlets and lights in our house, and we're only gonna use these ones. I'm gonna cook some popcorn. So right now you can see that the microwave is only consuming 7 watts just to power the clock basically. But if I start this, it immediately starts to shoot up. In real time, it will go to what it's using. So when it's cranking, it's using 1929 watts. These are all the things that we want to have power that are must-have circuits. And if we use these as we normally do, we have 8 hours and 25 minutes of runtime if there's no solar. These are nice-to-have circuits that if I want to use them, all I have to do is drag from there and move it over to the must-have circuits, and then all my calculations will change. So now I go down to 7 hours and 47 minutes from 8 hours and 25 minutes. Over time, it's recording how all the power in my house is used, and it will calculate based on averages how much time is left for those devices. The circuit that my downstairs light's on, I could turn that off from my phone.
Whoa! All from
my phone with the Span app. The smart panel changed the way that we look at how power is consumed.
Just like black and white to color TV, there's been advancements in technology, and your 100-year-old technology for your breaker box has now been upgraded.
Being able to control the power and how you consume it will save money indefinitely.